Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to access your digital well-being reports to see how you've been using your phone over the last days, weeks, etc. So how to do this? Swipe up and click on settings, scroll all the way down, right, till you'll be able to find digital well-being and parental control. Tap on that. Now from here you'll get a quick stats of how many minutes you've been using this, and if you scroll down you can see your most viewed apps, screen time goals, and so forth and so forth, right? However, in order to view this in terms of like the report, you can simply go ahead and click this little graph icon here at the top beside the search, and you'll be able to view your weekly report. So as you can see here, you can see your weekly report to see how much time you spent on your phone. You scroll down here, you get more information as well. You can see the different applications that you've been using, and of course you can get a peek into your usage time to see the time of day you're currently using on each day's those apps. So if you, and you can easily swipe across as well so that you can see how it looks between different times, right? So you can see it for social media, you can see it for productivity and finance, and you can see this for total screen time, right? So you can scroll on, you can find more use apps there and so forth. Guys, I think this can be a very useful report so that you can see how you're currently using your phone. On top of that, those weekly reports can help you a lot to understand how you're utilizing your phone. That's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.